DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
Yo. What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco. Back in this bitch with another banger reaction. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man. You don't know, see what we are doing today. One of the best artists, baddest, and the youngest artists out of the 6 camp. You see what we are dealing with. We are talking about none other Mr. Vanilla Card himself. Mr. Bang. Mr. Who else? Why else me I forgot? Mr. Dungeon. Mr. Dora. You don't know what I do with it there with Malie done. You see me and dog there with another bang. This one is entitled Solitary. Yeah, man, he dropped this like what, couple weeks now, gang. Been busy with the clash. Been busy with other reaction. Been busy with music updates and countdowns. You see me, so sometimes it take a little while to get around to a tune. So don't be vexed with me, gang. You see me, just bear with me. You see me? But yeah, man, we're there with Malie Dan, one of our favorite artists to react to on the channel. You already know we're Malie over here. And dog there with Solitary. And we're gonna check it out and see what dog I deal with. Now, the Solitary by yourself or okay. But I say I don't know if man say Solitary matter, but be by yourself or the card game, but the card game is Solitaire, so you don't know, so me way off already. You see me, so I check out and see what dog I do. We're not hold up the vibe much longer. You see me, I jump right into the track here. You see me, this is Malie Dan with Solitary. Most likely gonna be about some girl and them vagina Solitary. Nobody did any need if you couldn't take care. Me don't know. You see me, but you know say a big little bit of chopping out the girl tune out there feed. You see me, check it out and see dog. Solitary. Let's get it, gang.
Yo, Solitary.
Oh, yo, the video you look up the winner dog. I'm telling you when it comes to intros to songs, Malie is up there, bro. Malie is up there, bro. Malie is top 5, and he's not 5, bro. No cap. Look there. Watch here. No man, yo. Oh God, Jesus. No man, yeah man. Me like the visuals already. 9 Mile, big up yourself for the visuals. You feel me? A Jamaican say the visuals. You see me as? Come on, fight extreme, Malie.
And I drink water, when me make my drink 3 black.
Come on, fight scream, Malie.
On the driveway. Fuck jail, on the highway. On your some budget.
Malie, come on, fight scream. Me no want to see you, brother. Me no, I hear music with me no want to see you, my yard. Come on.
With your weird size 8 from me the 5 grade. Me a bun high grade loan, dirty money Benjamin no like beat. Buy your 2 pack of Brazilian if you like grade. Bang another black.
I'm a faithful man. Get behind me, Satan. Get behind me, Satan. Cha! Come on. Run, John.
Money Benjamin no like beat. Buy your 2 pack of Brazilian if you like grade. Bang another blind date. Mama that a child's play. Me will take your 3 pints just like we had that dog. Grand bag of weed and 5 crate.
Yeah, they look one them. Like look one there, no. A demon that blood clot, you know.
We will take your 3 pints just like we had done that. Grand bag of weed and 5 crate. Say she want the digits, alright babes. That are 8625458. I want to build fence.
Malie.
Thing like it. Nah, no website, but she itch up in a MySpace. If them make me that, me like my.
She not the website, but she itch up in a MySpace. And we not talk about hey! Look, a lot of y'all don't know what MySpace is, you know. Me just realize what time. A lot of y'all don't know MySpace. If I never used to get girl from MySpace, they don't talk to me, bro. Don't talk to me.
No website, but she itch up in a MySpace. If they make me that, me like my grade. Buy some blood clot clocks and buy keys. Living them thoughts, I'm in a parent. Colonna grass them with a deal send.
Yo! Hey man say living at them thoughts I'm in a parent. Cause we know what a dear sent. I tell you, bro. Malie, keep doing your thing, bro. I'm telling you. You got a perfect blend for the choppers, the vibers, the gallis, But you have a perfect blend, bro. You see me? I say keep it up. One tune can play for everybody. You see again, I'm going man into a tap a tune, a vibes tune. You see me? I say, bro, come on, bro. And the video, the visuals, that mafia. You can't say if anybody say they don't like the visual, you're batty boy. Come on.
Living them thoughts, I'm in a parent. Colonna brass them with a decent. See them a talk, but me no hear them. They take a shots, not to the ends them. Checking my fucking garage and the sick beer Benz. Louis Vuitton and he exchange them.
Yo, whining is top tier. Whining is top tier. All that twerking bullshit, get the fuck out of here with that shit, bro. Whining hits different. Whining, you see every muscle in the body, John, in the back and the waist and everything. Whining different, you know, bro. Whining is top tier, bro. Fuck that twerking shit, bro.
Fucking up the road, pussy, all them and tire ya. Me see it say them a chop all ya. Tire daddy and press, rise up a diala. Stay food in a your girl, roll no Viagra, Caribbean, but
Facts. Y'all, brother, I never, you see me? We don't need them honey packs and that bullshit, bro.
Trinidad Guyana, focusing a girl named Kerry and Mariah. Me and my gun like Puffy and Tayala. Come out of the kitchen and not ready for the fire, yeah. You know my Valentino.
Yes.
Remy, then I
Casamigo. I'm a Valentino. If I'm a Remy, then a Casamigo. I don't know about Valentine, I don't know about Roberto Cavalli, I don't know and Mueller Mister, I don't know nothing about them. All I know is Gucci, Louis, and them fuck credit. Balenciaga, those are real designers. Look it up, and Mueller Mister, nigga, Robert Cavalli, with the Valentino them. I can name you some brands, nigga, you even know. Hey, move.
She see me on a dance like a ballerina. Living them thoughts, I'm in a parent. Colonna brass them with a decent. See them a talk, but me no hear them. They take a shots, not to the ends them. Checking on my fucking garage and me see beer Benz.
Oh, easy boy, I got the big GLE. That's the GLE I was looking at the other day, man. That's what we went to the dealership.
Louis Vuitton and he exchange them. Lanvin and the palm angels. Scholar for fuck up with my payment.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, the boy got the bust down on the wrist. Come on. Yeah. Man, them a work. Yeah, them a work in the blood clot video. Me nah lie. What you mean, man? The boy got the car here. Come on. Glasses. Oh. Yeah, Cartier glasses. Yeah, I already know, bro. You feel me? You see me? Enough I style them or put down enough for them boys just a pick up. You see me? Yeah, man. The beats them used to rock high school and them boys just them have to become artists. We do what we do. That mean I make some boy know. Don't get it twisted, bro. Don't get it twisted, bro. You feel me? Shout out to Malie. Yeah, man. When I'm favorite up and coming out. When I'm favorite artist out, bro. You see me? Yeah, man. Vibes and everything, tune. Subject matter, videos just shot, style was different. You see me? I say, yeah, man, shout out to Malie, dog. And they're doing thing, bro. It's a vibe. Yeah, man, one name Solitary. You see me? Solitary. Definitely go check out the one they show the artist some love and support, making us a Jambisco dance. Send me. Also, let me know I'm react to next gang, and I'll definitely get it done. You already know what time it is, man. It's a vibe. It's a damn vibe, man. It's a damn vibe. I like that track. Let me know if you like it. Drop your comments, all that good stuff. Show that to some of us for making us a Jambisco dance. Let me know what your favorite part, beat, melody, lyrics. The gal let me know the video, the dance them. You see? So let me know what your favorite part. Also, gang, join me on Discord. Link is in the description. Join me on Discord. Become part of the gang. Can send me videos directly. Talk to me directly. Chop it up. All that good stuff. Plan events, lives, all that good stuff. So join me on Discord. Yeah, man, gang, and let me know what you think, man. It's a vibe. Let me know you're watching from, all that good stuff, man. Let's chop it up. Let's get engaged, gang. Please get me over 50 likes, over 100 likes. Please get me more than 1,000 views, gang. Come on, run it up, man. Run it up. Down Mafia, I'm calling on y'all. I need y'all to assemble. I need y'all to put in that work. If I'm putting that work for y'all, I need y'all to put in that work for me. Like up the video, share the video. You see me? Watch the video, rewatch the video, Run that numbers up for me. You already know what time it is, gang. It's about Jambisco. Till next time. I was here now. Hit on, smashing up, bang until next time. Take care of yourself on each other. Love you guys. I'm out.